Alright guys, 2016 BMW 740i. How to replace the upper radiator hose. So as you see, this is the old one and this is the new one. I ordered it from the dealer, and see, everywhere is messed up because of the splash shield. So I already took it off, but to guide you is there is a cover right here on the top of the computer. You need to take the battery, the terminal, the negative terminal out. It's that way over there. It's not in the trunk, it's in the engine compartment. Then you need to unplug just two of the computer connectors and just set it aside. There is another small module. You need to unplug this one, and this one, so in order to give you enough room. So the other side, sorry for the light, as you see over there, the other side of the hose is just right behind the intake manifold. So basically all you need to do is right here. All you need to do is grab a long screwdriver, just like that, and pull the pin out. And then it's gonna be very tight. Then wiggle it real hard and it's gonna come off. Then on the front side, you're gonna have one hose like that, small one, and the main one. So the small one, same thing, just grab the pin and pull it out with the pick tool. And the big one, just grab the pin and pull it out, and then disconnect the small hose, and then the main one, just wiggle it out. It's gonna get out. And make sure you put some lubricant around it and put it back together all the way over there, and fill it up with the proper coolant. You should be fine. Thank you guys for watching. This is the quick guide for how to replace the upper radiator hose for 2016 BMW 740i. Thank you guys for watching again.